Welcome to the J&J Auto King test video of STCE404, a 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe, finished in a beautiful light autumn wood brown. This bad Larry comes to us from California, where she was donated. Apparently the 5.7's got a little bit of a motor noise on the upper RPM range. I personally say she's good, send it, but sounds like we're gonna end up parting out this L31, which is rather unfortunate. This thing's an absolute freaking unit. Beautiful condition, got GMT400 wheels on it. God, look at that exhaust tip. Barn doors, the most useless but cool things ever. If you know, you know. If you don't, I recommend you experience it. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. It is what it is. Awesome custom interior. I don't know how I bypassed that. Shut up. Beautiful leather, some custom embroidery going on there, some customization on the door panels, but this thing's nice. I give this guy props, man. He really enjoyed this thing. Center console's all done up, 4x4. It's nice, guys. Look at that. I mean, you don't do that to your vehicle if you don't love it. God, I wanted to save this thing so bad. 156,000 miles, 4L60E goes right into gear. Yeah. Well, she is out of gas. You don't say. Climate control works great. What about the radio? Well, the radio works. We can say that. Just, man, an all-around nice machine. So it's not the 4x4. Come on, give me 4 high. You know you want to. Stop doing this to me. There we go, 4 high. Woo, 4 low. Low range, baby. Back to 2 high. Like it never happened. Will this thing light them up? A little bit. She's still got some spunk in her. What a shame that we couldn't save this one though, guys. If you're looking for OBS Tahoe parts or GMT400 front end stuff, this one's the one to get, man. Like I said, light autumn wood WA229A. It's the hell of a paint code. If you're looking for parts, guys, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. Other than that, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Change your oil so you don't end up killing another beautiful truck like this at J&J Auto Destroyers. You know who you are. Thanks for watching.